Guys, this is the Terrell Farm. This is actually mine and my two sisters' farms that is rented out to S&K Farms. This is just a quick shot of this wheat field, which is going to be going into soybeans as soon as they're finished cutting it. And they're got another crew coming in to roll the straw up into rolls and sell it to the local mushroom farm. But kind of hard to make out, but he's just going around the corner. And our property line goes all the way past the wood line that you can see. About 400 acres total. And then we got the man next door to us who's growing pecan trees in the distance, but this first row here is oranges and peaches. And he has about 300 acres of those. They won't be into actual production stage where they actually produce pecans probably for another 6 years. I think this whole field total is around 100 acres, but I think they only have about 50 of it planted into wheat.